if you haven't checked out Mama Bird's yet in Holly Springs, make sure you go check it out. They have tons of awesome homemade ice cream flavors, a freezer full of chocolate covered bananas, cakes, all kinds of goodies. They have cookies, cookie sandwiches, or I guess ice cream sandwiches is the proper way of saying it. But go check them out. They completely redesigned the store, and they have some really awesome teens that are there working, ready to scoop up your ice cream. Thank you, Mama Birds, for welcoming us on your opening night.